In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PulesChain Bridge. Now, at the moment, the system is very congested, so it takes a long time for payments to go through on the bridge. So here we are on the PulesChain Bridge, and as you can see at the moment, I'm connected to the PulesChain. You see there, I've got my wallet connected, so you obviously need Metamask wallet to do this, or another Web3 wallet. But I want to bridge over from Ethereum over to the Pulse. So what I need to do is to come up to my Metamask wallet, and I need to change from PulesChain over to Ethereum, and you'll see that that's done there. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be bridging USTD from the Ethereum blockchain over to the PulesChain blockchain. So I'm going to put in my Pulse there, put in my max. Sorry, I'm going to put in my USTD, which is 36, but I'm actually going to just swap 25, and then I click on this button here, and I get this message, and then I click the big button at the bottom, and I wait for the first part of the transaction to carry out. So that's authorizing what I need to do with my Metamask. So I'm going to get my Metamask is obviously going to open, and I need to confirm that transaction. So let's just do that. So in here, I can put in the max or default, but I'm going to click on the max, and then I'm going to just click next. And then I need to click approve. So I'm approving, this first part is to approve that the PulesChain can talk to my wallet to take my 25 USTD, take it into a contract that's going to bridge it over. And once it's done that, you get this send button at the bottom, and all you need to do is click on that. And what that's going to do is it's going to send it over to my wallet now. But remember, I said the system is a bit clogged, so you're not going to receive it straight away. And that opens up my Metamask wallet for me to confirm. And in this case, I haven't got enough gas, so I'm going to need to put a bit more Ethereum. It's going to use more Ethereum to send it because I'm only doing $25. So let me put a bit more Ethereum in. So that's all done as far as anything that I can do now. So now what I've got to do is I've got to wait from that USTD to come from the Ethereum blockchain and go over to the Pulse blockchain. So in the meantime, what I can do is I can add the Pulse USTD to my wallet. Now, if you can see that my wallet at the moment is on the Ethereum blockchain, so I'm just going to change this over to the Pulse. I'm going to come up to my MetaMask and come up to the top there because I'd already added it, and I've got PulesChain down here. Now, what I want to do is I want to add the USTD to my MetaMask wallet, the one that's on Pulse. And if I come over to Richard Hart's, he's the CEO, tweet here, he gives me the proper contracts. He's got the USTD here, you see. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to take that back over to my MetaMask. And then what I want to do, I've already added this, but what I want to do is scroll down to the bottom and then click on import. And then all you do is post that in there. And it says, as you can see, mine's already added. But when you click out the box, it will put in the symbol, it will put in the decimal places, and then all you do is click on this button that says add custom tokens. Now, those tokens will arrive in your wallet once the backlog has been cleared on the bridge. Now, if you come up to the top here, you'll see transactions. You click on that and it will open this screen. You'll see this claim button. You need to ignore that because that would be if you're claiming back onto Ethereum if you were coming the other way. You see, I've gone from Ethereum to Pulse and it's got this claim button, but you don't need to claim that if you're going this route. But if I was going from Pulse over to Ethereum, then I would be clicking this claim button. So maybe they're going to correct this at some point. But as you can see, at the time of making this video is now the 17th. I did my bridge of the 25 USDT on the 16th of May at just 11 o'clock in the morning. And the time now is 10:30 in the morning on the 17th of May. So it's been 24 hours and I still don't have that sitting inside my wallet. Because if I open up my wallet, you can see that I've got no USTD. So even when you've got your USTD, you're still going to need to get some Pulse. Now you can either contact a friend or someone that you trust to sell you some Pulse, but that's how easy it is to use the bridge, and hopefully they're going to clear that backlog and we can all start using PulesChain blockchain. It's a really exciting time, big opportunity. And if you like this type of content, give me the thumbs up. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and click the bell notifications so you get notified when I upload a new video. You have a fantastic day and I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.